yesterday. Oh, what was the homework again? Well, it was to film a wild animal. Oh, I have tons of those in my house. Isn't that dangerous? Sometimes. I gotta get the camera up. Alright, I've gotta find some wild animals. Here we have a word to say in natural habitat, feeding off the grass. As you can see, she's very wild. Gotta back up because she'll come at me. She looks up, trying to understand what is happening. The wild cat has his territory marked. But look, the word to say flops her limpy limb in this argument. She does not like the cat, not one bit. We shall follow, see what she does. No bush. Yes, I am a bush.
There's a nice caterpillar over there. Very nice caterpillar.
The word to say has marked her territory this time. The word to say now has her territory marked. I think she's dead. Oh, wait. Sadly, she's not dead. Nope, I'm just a bush. Just a bush. That was scary indeed. Oh, yes, it was. She's taking a daily hike up Mount Poop. Mount Poop. It looks like we gotta take a hike too. Hey, she fell back down. How unfortunate. She just went back to the spot she was at. And then she's up here.
I mean, did I leave you? You watch my daily chick.
Just a bush. Just a bush.
Wow!
She's getting ready to do a big jump. I think. That or she's having a seizure. I think it was the seizure. She's very confused and does not know what to do. She's getting ready to jump. Getting ready. Successfully landed the jump, I think. The words are saying, sitting, just doing nothing. Her stomach seems to be growling, and she does not know where it is coming from. She claps her hand, hoping to attract prey. Then realizes it is not working, because clapping her hands does not do anything. Dummy. Get your hands away from the camera. Go! Run! Run! We have escaped. We will get more footage of her. She's trying to hike up the mountain to get to me. Wait, what's that over there? A wild toad eating grass.
Oh, what did you look at that?
She's gonna get hunt the toad.
Ouch!
Looks like she has carried away the wild toad. Did not win this battle. After her delicious meal, her butt starts to be touching. You know what that means? A big poo-poo's coming. She doesn't have a squatty potty to help her. Aroo indeed. Aroo indeed. watch her as she gallops gracefully to the nearest potty spot. A potty spot it will be, right next to on the book. That is one of Woody's favorites. And what'd you say? It's going to use the bathroom. Like a normal person. Her butt is twitching. She's going to well, she's maybe not going to use the bathroom after all. And to watch. And she's floating upwards. What a weird occurrence. Oh, I guess she's not going to poop in the toilet. She's going to poop in the sink. Or a cup next to the sink.
Permission, please.
Sorry. Errol, she gets off of her cup. Ew, is that green? Ew, why is she paint green? Ew. Now she's gonna dump it. But Woody's gonna have to clean that up. Does he know that she does this? This is really gross. Ew. She crushes the cup too? Woody, she throws the cup in the sink. Hopefully she doesn't do anything to Woody's toothbrush. What's this? Oh, she's rolling a toothbrush on a book. That's really gross. Woody's not going to be happy about this. That is...
Who cares about that now?
That's the day of a world just say what she does on a normal basis. And she messes up. There she goes.
So, Mr. Ray, what did you think of my project?
Well, it was gross, and she pooped in a cup, and she rubbed her blood on someone's toothbrush, and she attacked a person. You got enough.
F stands for fantastic. I'm gonna get to that good college. Yay! You know you will.
I know. Woody. Wait, did you see? What a weird day.